What's up guys, welcome to the Hardwin82 channel. I'm Adam and today we're gonna talk again about the websites you should know. Welcome again to my new series about the sites you should know. Internet is gigantic these days and to keep the track of what's going on it's super difficult. That's why I decided to talk a little bit about that. So I have another free sites for you that you might be interested. Last time we talked about sites that could be useful for graphic purposes. In this episode we will talk about the sites that will be used for document purposes. So the first website I have for you is PDF to doc converter. The address of the site is pdf2doc.com, and this is basically online converter of PDF files to documents. I'm sure many times you have this problem when someone sends you a PDF file and you cannot edit. What you can do with that? So this website is very handy. Let's have a look how this works. Okay, let's start with something easy. So I have this small PDF file, only 114 kilobytes. So let's have a look. It's a simple privacy policy for the game called BeamNG, doesn't matter, but it's a simple PDF file. Okay, we cannot edit this, so let's find out how this works. Simply drag and drop and it's ready. Download. We need to save it somewhere. Okay, save. Okay, it is here. Let's find out. Yeah, looks identical, but this time you can edit this. You can do whatever you want. Have a look how great it is. Let's compare it. So on the left we have PDF file, on the right document, and wow, simply wow. It's basically, obviously I made this, it's basically the same freaking thing. All right, okay, let's try something else, something with maybe picture or yeah. So we have some pictures here. This document has 33 pages, so let's have a look how this will handle that. Okay, download. Okay, so the document is ready. Let's compare it, how this looks like. Okay, so we have table of contents, looks pretty much the same. Let's have a look here. Yeah, that's the page with picture. Looks good. And again, I can edit everything. I can do whatever I want. Yeah. I'm simply impressed. How many times I had this problem? Someone sent me a file with PDF and yeah. Okay. What else I have for you? Another site I want to introduce you is alfiebox.com. You don't have a Microsoft Office? No problem. You want to make a document using doc file type? No problem. You want to have an Excel spreadsheet or make a presentation? No problem. Another very handy website. Basically all the software is there. You just need to go to this site and yeah, create your document. So yeah, create a new online document. Enter. Yeah, looks basically exactly the same like every other Microsoft Office document. So yeah, we can do something here. Basically the same. The only thing you need to remember is because the software is on the server, not on your hard drive, it is small delay between what you do in here and when it's appearing, because you need to remember Every time you made a change here, the command is sent to the server. CPU on the server reacts to that command and sending the result. So there is a small delay between what you're doing. Even look at that. Even if I want to bold this, for example, I'm pressing bold and took half of the second. So you will feel that small delay, but again, this is the software for free you can use. Let's create, let's save it. I want to show you how this works. If you have an account here, you can save it to your Google Drive, for example, and you can edit this later, or you can download this straight away. In my case, I want to have a Microsoft document or the new style docx. That depends what you want. I will go with simply doc. And again, I'm saving this. It's ready, open, because I have Microsoft Office installed. Yeah, I just created a document, I save it on my drive, and I can do whatever I want with this. I can send it by email or whatever. Okay, what else we can do? Let's say I want to create an Excel file. Again, nothing more simple. Click on the icon, and I have a spreadsheet. The last site I want to represent here is a PDF creator. So this time, instead of converting a PDF file to document, this time we want to do something opposite. We want to create the PDF file from a document. So this time we will go to the website called online2pdf.com. And again, just drag document here, press convert. Took it just, I don't know, 3-4 seconds. Save it, open, and we have PDF file. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. Thank you very much for watching. If you found that video interesting, consider subscribing. Don't forget to smash that like button only if you want, and I shall see you next time. Thank you. Bye.